Hello, welcome. Let us discuss and understand what is performance engineering. We have already discussed about performance testing in the earlier sections of this course. Now let us discuss about performance engineering and let us understand how it is slightly different compared to performance testing. Let us understand performance testing and performance engineering with a real life example. Performance testing is like you are driving a car. Imagine you are driving a car. Here basically you are checking the car and you are finding out whether any performance issue in the car, whether car is able to run at the expected speed, whether car is able to accelerate within the given time, whether car is able to carry the expected weight. Many things you will be checking here and you will try to identify if there is any problem. In performance engineering, you will be identifying the root cause and fixing the problem. Here performance testing is like identifying a problem, and performance engineering is you identify the root cause of the problem, find the solution and fix the problem. The performance testing is process of evaluating the system speed, scalability and stability under different conditions. Whereas performance engineering is an approach to designing, optimizing and maintaining the system to perform efficiently under all conditions. In performance engineering, you need to fix the system in such a way that it performs efficiently under all conditions. Let us take one more real world example and let us try to understand it in detail. Imagine you have an online shopping website and you want to simulate the 1000 users and measure the response time. Along with response time, you might also measure some other metrics such as throughput. Here basically you are doing a testing and identifying the problem, whether there is any problem with respect to response time, whether it is response time is within the acceptable limit, whether throughput is acceptable, and you will check various such parameters based on your requirement. Once you identify the problem during performance testing, you will find the root cause of the problem. That is performance engineering. Let us say, imagine there is a database query which is taking a lot of time. Then you identify that cause and you optimize the database query so that it runs quickly. That is performance engineering. Similarly, there might be a server configuration issue such as whether enough CPU, enough memory is available, whether it is properly configured. All those things you will troubleshoot and fix so that system can perform efficiently. This is called performance engineering. As a performance engineer, you will identify the root cause of the problem and you will report it to the corresponding team for fixing those issues. In performance testing, you will evaluate the system speed, scalability and stability under different conditions. In performance engineering, you will be checking the design and optimizing the system and maintaining the system in such a way that it efficiently performs under all conditions. In performance testing, our main focus will be identifying the performance issue like slowness or failure. And in performance engineering, we need to identify the root cause of the problem and suggest the solution and fix the problem so that system can perform efficiently. The goal of the performance testing is to measure the system performance, for example response time or a throughput. In performance engineering, our goal is to enhance and maintain the optimal performance of the system. Performance testing is done in a testing phase before the deployment, but performance engineering is a continuous process. Performance engineering is continuous and we try to optimize the system in each phase such as design, maintenance. For performance testing, we use tools like JMeter, Load Runner, Gatling to simulate the user load. But for performance engineering, we will be using the profilers, debuggers, thread and heap dump analysis tools, monitoring tools. You can imagine performance testing is like taking a car for a speed test to check how fast the car can go under a particular load. Performance engineering is like regularly tuning the car engine, fixing any issues found, and ensuring the car is maintained properly so that it is performing efficiently and preventing the future breakdown. So this is about performance testing and performance engineering. These two terms are closely related but slightly different. With this basic understanding, we will continue the discussion on various aspects of performance engineering in the coming lectures. Thank you for watching.